Assalamualaikum and very good day to our professor, Prof. IR, Dr. Ahmad Jaafar. Today, I will explain about the non-contact infrared thermometer, a complex technology simplified. This device were created by me, Muhammad Hakim, and Tengku Ariff. Okay, for the introduction. Since the COVID-19 became a pandemic, our team tried to create a solution by executed a device that can detect the human temperature without contacting them. This device especially was made for the frontliner to make their work easier. Okay, what is the objective of this device? The main objective of this device is to detect the temperature of the patient without contacting them in a certain distance. For the problem statement, the main problem of this project is the accuracy of the measuring sensor. As we know, there is a few tolerance or deviation of the sensor that may be led to the error. The second one of the problem that we find out for this device is the possibility of COVID-19 transmission between the frontliner and the patient especially. Okay, for the methodology of non-contact thermometer, Tengku Ariff will explain it later more.
Okay, so for the methodology of non-contact thermometer, we construct it with a few high components and sensors, and we design our contactless thermometer by using SolidWorks, and our simulation are done using TinkerCAD software. So some of the important components are the Arduino Uno R3, ultrasonic distance sensor, temperature sensor TMP36, LCD 16 by 2, 220 ohms potentiometer, 5 volt power supply, a capacitor, and a 220 ohms resistors. So this is our flowchart of the contactless thermometer. And this is our schematic flowchart. So how does it work? So first, we power on the thermometer gun and hold the trigger until a laser appears. And then we point at the direction of the object and hold it in a stable and precise way. And later, we continue holding the trigger while it reads the object's temperature. And next, the temperature reading will show up at the display for you to record. And last, we turn off the thermometer after finish using it.
Okay, for the prototype drawing, this is our initial sketching for the device. The idea was come from the internet. We find out this is the most ergonomic and common device that is used for the non-contact thermometer. So we innovate this thermometer to become like this. Okay, the drawing of the model is designed using the SolidWorks. The outcome of the SolidWorks is shown as above, as shown as in the slide. Okay, for the model simulation, the simulation of the non-contact thermometer was done using a TinkerCAD. Okay, this is our simulation of the device. First, we initialize or start the simulation after the coding. So the output is the temperature and the distance in cm and degree Celsius. The input is uh, the input are the ultrasonic distance sensor and the temperature sensor TMP36. The distance, the maximum distance that this device can calculate is about 3 meter. So that distance is the most safe distance to contact with the patient. So from this innovation, we can slowly avoid the transmission of COVID-19. Okay, for the conclusion, Tengku Ariff will explain about it.
So to conclude our product, which is the infrared non-contactless thermometer. So a non-contact infrared thermometer is one of the most important devices. It can be used by all people at every premises that requires body temperature checking. As we all know now, every places requires body temperature checking. So therefore, this device is very useful. And next, it also helps in time saving and can record body temperature in a much more efficient method.
Alright, that's all from us. Maybe in future there is there are a few improvement that can be made of this device. I hope that this device can be commercialized and make it useful for the frontliners. And thank you for listening to our presentation. Enjoy your day. Thank you, Professor.
Thank you.
Alright, bye.